Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Garmin Fenix 6. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is perfect for resolving minor software glitches or if your watch becomes unresponsive. This method won't erase any of your valuable data. Simply press and hold the light button, located on the top left, for about 15 seconds. You'll see the screen turn off. Release the button, then press it once more to power your Fenix 6 back on. It's a quick and easy fix for many common issues. Next, let's discuss a factory reset through the settings menu. This option is more comprehensive, returning your Fenix 6 to its out-of-the-box state and deleting all user data, including activities, settings, and personal information. From the watch face, press the menu button, then scroll down and select Settings. From there, choose System, then Reset, and finally, delete data and reset settings. You'll need to confirm your choice, so be absolutely sure before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. For more stubborn issues, or if your watch is completely unresponsive, a hard reset using button combinations might be necessary. This method also wipes all data. First, ensure the watch is powered off by holding the light button for about 15 seconds. Now, simultaneously hold down the \lap and start/stop buttons. While holding those, press and hold the light button. After the first beep, release the light button. After the second beep, release the start/stop button. Finally, after the third beep, release the \lap button. This sequence initiates a full system wipe. So, when should you reset your Fenix 6? A soft reset is ideal for quick fixes. For persistent software errors, preparing to sell your device, or if you're experiencing major, unresolvable issues, a factory or hard reset is the way to go. Remember, always back up any important data to Garmin Connect before performing a factory or hard reset, as these actions are permanent. Resetting can breathe new life into your watch, resolving many common problems and ensuring optimal performance. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.